How to get $100 White Castle promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in White Castle promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for White Castle. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for White Castle. Just scroll down and check out the offers. To grab any of the offer, you just have to click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code and you can head towards the website of White Castle and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for White Castle. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. You can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for White Castle. This way you can easily get up to $100 off White Castle working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.